Hello everyone, I am Shudipa Sharkar. Today I will discuss the topic Introduction to Analog Communication. Communication is the process of sending and receiving the information from one to one entity or a group of people. There are two types of communication system. One is analog communication and digital communication. Analog communication is based on analog signals and analog values, whereas digital communication is based on digital signals and digital values. Here we can see the block diagram of a basic communication system. Now let us know about the elements of it. Information. Information or message is the entity that a sender wants to send. Signal. Signal is the single valued function of times carries the information. Source is the entity who sends the message and destination is the entity that receives the message. In communication system, transmitter is very important. Transmitter is the entity that is responsible for converting the information into a electrical signal. The transmitter performs many things like encoding, signal processing, transmission or power amplification. Channel. Channel is the medium through which the signal is sent from transmitter to the receiver. The channel can be wired or wireless. Receiver is the entity that receives the information which the transmitter was sent. It can do many things like the transmitter. It can do reception of the signal, demodulation or decoding, signal processing, error detection, and gives the output of the desired signal. Transducer. Transducer in a communication system is a device that converts one form of energy into the another form of energy. Transducers are very essential because they help in converting signals between different forms of energy. It can do signal conversion, transmitting and receiving, sensing, sound and visual signal processing. In signal sending, sometimes we cannot get the desired output because some noise or interference. So, we have to do modulation. Modulation is the basic process of boosting the signal. It is a technique used in communication system to encode information into a carrier signal so that it can be transmitted over a long medium. It can do signal processing, multiplexing. It is very essential because it overcomes the interference and noise. The device used for modulation is called the modulator. So if we do modulation, in receiver we will get modulated signal. That is, we will not get our desired signal. So we have to do demodulation. Demodulation is the process of extracting the original signal from the modulated signal. In a communication system, after the transmitted signal has modulated and sent through a channel, the receiver must be demodulate it to recover the transmitted message. The device used for demodulation is called the demodulator. So in conclusion, a communication system involves the process of transferring information from a source to a destination through a series of steps. The source is where the information is generated and prepared for transmission, often by encoding or modulating the data to make it suitable for transmission. The information is then sent through a communication channel, which could be a physical medium like wires or a wireless medium like radio waves. And finally, it is sent to the receiver and to the destination. I got this informations from some books and some Google links. So thank you.